You know what? I think it's time to spill the tea. Wait, spill the tea? What are you talking about? Oh, the T.E.A. The testimonial email assistant. Yeah, we're not talking Gen Z stuff here. We're talking about T.E.A. The testimonial email assistant is a really cool feature that we just rolled out that I think you're going to enjoy immensely. And it's actually pretty simple to use. Have you ever tried to follow up with different people who have purchased products from you or services, and you just simply want them to give you a testimonial, but you end up having to hound them manually, and it's a whole process? What Testimonial Email Assistant does is it makes it much easier for you to get those testimonials without you having to do all the necessary work required to hound people for those testimonials. It's really simple to do. All you have to do is go to one of your spaces, and in the integration section, you'll see there's a testimonial email assistant. So what is going to happen here is you just need to include your unique email for this space in the to or the BCC field. So this is going to be the assistant for this space. And what it does is if you utilize an email marketing platform like Mailgun or MailChimp or SendGrid, you can use the script or comment snippet, and these providers will typically allow for full HTML customization, so you just have to add it in there. And what that implementation of the HTML will do is, well, it will make it follow up with them. For personal email providers like Gmail, Fastmail, or Outlook, you're going to use the pixel snippet instead of the HTML script. So in Pixel, what you'll do is you'll use the pixel snippet, as these typically don't allow custom scripts or comments in the email body. If you're unsure, or if scripts are being removed, try the comment snippet, then fall back to the pixel if needed. And you can check out the settings right here. You'll see that this has a ability to change the send delay. So say, for example, someone purchases your product and you want to send a follow-up, you can change that from immediately to a different amount of time, anywhere from 1 to 14 days. And then you can change the sender name. So I could say something like Dimitri Panici, and then name would be the person who purchased it. We'd love your feedback. Hi, person's name. Hope this email finds you well. Thank you for choosing us for your recent purchase. We truly value your business and would love to hear more about it. Your feedback helps us improve and ensure we're providing the best possible service. Would you mind taking a few minutes to share your thoughts? You can submit your feedback by following this link. Now, this is really nice. We can just change the name. Best regards, Dimitri. For me, that's my name. And you could add different components here. The tokens that can be used are name, email, and link. So your public landing page URL is an option. Now you'll notice on the stats side, it allows you to send about 1,000 emails per month, as well as how many emails were sent out this month and overall, and how many have gone towards your monthly quota using this. Now, just to be clear on how this works, this is going to follow up your usual confirmation email. So what I can do here is I actually have one set up right now, and I have the ability to, anytime someone purchases a new product from me on Gumroad, I could set up an automation. So I say like, thank you for your template purchase. So I go to advanced settings, I could add a BCC, blind copy recipient, and I could just copy this link, add it to the BCC email address. Then you're gonna grab this script here, and you're gonna, since this is an HTML version, I'm gonna just go to the bottom of this and add the script. As you can see, there's actually other scripts here too. Let's go here. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace place name with the name of the person. So based on this, that would be the name of the person. Let's say it was Joel Williams. And then we're gonna replace the email placeholder with the email. And let's just double check here. We have it set up to immediately. So if I press save here, it would immediately send one afterwards. So let's just go here. And I'm just gonna do a test email to have my name and email added to it. So I'm just gonna do a test email to have my name and email added to it. And then let's do Dimitri. And then, so we'll have my email here and my name. Please don't have the LastPass showing my address show up on the edit, please. Then press OK. You'll see that it went to this email and then also went to the blind assistant. So I received this follow-up email and will receive another one very shortly. And then you'll simply be on the lookout for when those emails are going to come through in your backend saying that you have sent them. And from there, you'll see the testimonials start to roll on in. Make sure to add these to any of your different after purchase email campaigns so that you not only achieve what you want to on the normal end, which is just like the follow-ups that you do, but also have those testimonial requests coming through so that that flows right into your system of testimonial.to too. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.